Welcome to Module 6, Employment, Chair Rental, and Business Basics. Whether you're aiming to work in a high-traffic downtown salon, rent a chair in a local barbershop, or start your own mobile service, how you work legally and professionally matters. This module helps you understand your options and responsibilities, so you can succeed on your own terms. The 3 common work models. Let's start with the basics. In Canada, barbers and hairstylists typically operate under one of 3 models. 1. Employee. You're hired by the business, paid a wage or commission, and the employer deducts your taxes and benefits. 2. Chair or booth renter. You're self-employed and rent a space in someone else's barbershop or salon. 3. Independent operator. You run your own business, whether that's mobile, home-based, or in a leased space. Each has different responsibilities, benefits, and legal considerations. Legal and tax responsibilities by role. If you're an employee, your employer handles most of the paperwork. But if you're renting a chair or working independently, you're considered self-employed under Canadian law. This means you must register with the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, track your income and expenses, charge and remit GST, HST if your income exceeds $30,000 per year, file annual business tax returns. You may also need a local business license, depending on your city or province. The good news? You can deduct expenses like tools, supplies, rent, marketing, and even courses like this one. Chair rental agreements. Chair rental is a popular choice, but don't sign anything without understanding your rights. A good agreement should clearly state your rental fee and what it includes, who provides the tools, towels, and products, the length of the agreement, whether clients book through you or the shop, what happens if you want to leave early. Avoid agreements that control your hours like an employee, take a percentage and charge a flat fee, don't let you keep your client list. You're not just a stylist or a barber, you're also a business owner. What shop owners look for. Whether you're applying for a job or a rental chair, owners want to see clean, consistent work, great communication with clients, proof of legal status or certification, punctuality and professionalism, willingness to maintain a clean and compliant space. If you're reliable, skilled, and easy to work with, you'll never struggle to find a chair. Business registration basics. Want to run your own show? You'll need to register your business name, unless using your own legal name, apply for a business number with CRA. Decide if you want a sole proprietorship or incorporation. Open a separate business bank account. Consider basic liability insurance, especially if mobile. It's easier than it sounds, and we provide links, templates, and a checklist to help you do it step by step. Recap. Let's review what you now know. The differences between employee, renter, and business owner. What legal and tax steps you must take to stay compliant. What makes a fair and legal rental agreement. What owners look for in barbers and stylists. And how to register and operate your own business. This module gives you the tools to move forward, legally, confidently, and profitably. Whether you're picking up your first Canadian client, signing your first agreement, or opening your own business, you're not just a worker. You're a professional. Let's keep building that success, one smart decision at a time.